doing? I don't even think. I don't know what this is all about. What is this? Bro, that was like almost a wreck. What the heck is this shit? Excuse my French, but is this guy delivering vehicles? Or just running around on the road? Very odd. Oh God, and the roundabout's coming up. Let's see what happens there. I have the feeling it's going to be very messy. Bro, this is some crazy stuff. Ha! What? I don't think that they're supposed to be doing this at all. I think this driver should not be in this neighborhood. I don't know the rules of trucking, but I don't think a big commercial vehicle belongs in Killearn like that. And look at him, he's on, you can't see, but he's on the median. That was some pretty bad driving. In my opinion, I've never driven a truck, so, to be fair, I don't think I could do much better. That's why I don't drive a truck, but, who knows? Maybe he's having a bad day, or maybe he needs to rethink his career.